Chicken biryani recipe. Ingredients: 1 kilo chicken, cut into pieces, 500 grams basmati rice, 3 large onions, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup mint leaves, 1/2 cup coriander leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies, slit, 2 tablespoons biryani masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 cup oil, 1/4 cup ghee, saffron strands soaked in 1/4 cup milk, salt to taste. Instructions: marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine chicken, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, biryani masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well and marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Fry the onions. Heat oil in a large pot and fry the sliced onions until golden brown. Remove half of the fried onions and keep aside for garnishing. Cook the chicken. In the same pot, add the marinated chicken and cook on medium heat until it is half cooked. Cook the rice. Wash the basmati rice and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Then cook the rice with water, salt, and a few whole spices until it is 70% cooked. Drain the rice and set aside. Layer the biryani. In a large pot, layer half of the cooked rice, followed by the half-cooked chicken and some fried onions. Repeat the layers, ending with a layer of rice on top. Garnish and cook. Drizzle saffron milk and ghee over the rice. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or foil and cook on low heat for 5 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is fully cooked and the chicken is tender. And serve. Garnish the biryani with the remaining fried onions and serve hot with raita.